Hello everyone, I'm V. Shanta Kumari, CRT English, working in KCBV, Achutapuram, Visakhapatnam district. Children, already we learned 10th class Unit 1 A, B, C readings. After C reading, vocabulary part. Now let we discuss what is one word substitution. One word substitution simply means using a specific word, replacing a wordly phrase or sentence and making it shorter, concise and clearer to understand. Children, allow you open your textbook. Page number is 28. Today has become an icon of simplicity, uncompromising quality and fairness apart from being a philanthropist. What is the meaning of philanthropist? A philanthropist is one who devotes his service or wealth for the love of mankind. Second one is he became a pioneer of Indian software industry and started the information technology way. Who is the pioneer? A pioneer is a person who is the first to study and develop a particular area of the knowledge, culture, or etc. that the other people then continue to develop. Next one is fatalist. A person who believes in fate. Centenarian. A person who is above 100 years. Omnipresent. One who present everywhere. Mercenary. A person who can do anything for money. Misogynist. One who aids women. Sixth one, monogamy. A practicing having one's wife or husband. Autobiography, a life history written by oneself. Biography, a life history written by somebody else. Honorary, a position for which no salary is paid. Ambiguous, a sentence whose meaning is unclear. Inimitable, that which cannot be imitated. Theist, one who believes in God. Spendthrift, one who spends too much. Teetotaler, one who abstains from taking alcohol. The same page, tick the most appropriate one word substitutes for the following. A person or thing that cannot be corrected. Here, four options are there. A is unintelligible. This means impossible to understand. B. Indelible. Indelible means impossible to forget or remove. Eligible. Difficult or impossible to read. Option D. Increasable. Having bad habits that cannot be changed or improved. So the right answer is increasable because a person that cannot be corrected. This is the correct answer. Second one is a person of good understanding and knowledge and reasoning power. Option A, expert. Expert means a person who is very knowledgeable about, skillful in a particular area. Option B, intellectual. A person possessing highly developed intellectual. Option C, snob. Snob means a person who believes that their taste is in particular area or are superior to those of the other people. Literate. Able to read and write. So, second answer is intellectual. Intellectual means a person of good understanding, knowledge and reasoning power. Number 3. A person who knows many languages. Option A, linguist. A linguist, a person skilled in foreign languages or interested in the science of the languages. Option B, grammarian. Grammarian means a person who studies and writes about the grammar. Option C, polyglot. Polyglot means a person who can speak and write in several languages. Option D, bilingual. Bilingual means who is speaking two languages fluently. So option is polyglot. So here is polyglot means a person who knows many languages. Turn the next page. Fourth one who possesses many talents. Option A, versatile, able to do many different things. And option B, prodigy. Prodigy means a young person whose intelligence or skill is unusually good for their age. Option C, exceptional. Exceptional means especially in skill, intelligence, quality. Option D, gifted. Gifted means you know very well natural ability. So here is the answer is versatile because one who possesses many talents. And fifth one, words inscribed on a tomb. Option A, epitome, a perfect example of something. Example, he is the epitome of a modern young man. Option B, epistle, a long serious letter on a important subject. Option C, epilogue. Epilogue means a speech or etc. at the end of the play, book or film that comments or acts as a conclusion what has happened. Option D, epitaph. Epitaph means words that are written or said about a dead person, especially words on a gravestones. Here is answer is D, epitaph. Children, you can easily identify these words. Fatalist, a person who believes in fate. Fatalist and end of the word fate. Centenarian. Centenarian means century, a person who is above 100 years. Omnipresent. Present everywhere. Omnipresent, one who is present everywhere. Mercenary and money, a person who can do anything for money. Misogynist. Gynist means gents. Gents always hates women. Misogynist, one who hates women. Monogamy. Mono means single, a practice having one's wife or husband. Autobiography, a life history written by oneself. Auto, oneself. Biography, a life history written by somebody else. And honorary, honorary and salary, a position for which no salary is paid. Ambiguous, this word is difficult to pronounce. A sentence whose meaning is unclear. This is the key. Imitable, that which cannot be imitated. Imitable, imitated. Theist, God, one who believes in God. Spendthrift, spend much, one who spends too much. Teetotaler, one who abstains from taking alcohol. Teetotaler, taking alcohol. And exam point of view, he will give match the following word. Substitute with the meaning. Part A and Part B. Theist, second omnipresent, third agnostics, fourth manuscript. Here is the A, B, C, D, E, F options are there, but you have only for 4 answers. Theist, we know very well, one who believes in God. So answer is D. Omnipresent, he present everywhere. So answer is C. Agnostic, agnostic means a person who does not know whether God exists. And manuscript, mans means a written, handwritten document. Answer A. So children, this is the matching. You can identify like this. Thank you.